In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to import your custom music to the Spotify on a PC and how you can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, if you wanted to add your own custom music into the Spotify, this is what we have to do. The first one, what you need to do is you have to go over here on the profile icon. From here, you have to click on the profile over here like this. Now from here, what you need to do is you can see these are some of the playlists that I'm having. So if you click on the settings, now from here, you have to go over here at the top. And if you scroll it down, there is an option called show local files. So what you need to do is we have to try turning on show local files here. Now from here, we have to scroll it down. And now there is an option to add the sources. Now as you can see, we have add a source show from here. So make sure that this is also turn it on. Now click on add a source. Now from here, you have to navigate to where you have a MP3 file in order to add it. So I'm just going for the downloads. Now in the downloads, if I'm not having, I have to go to the music. Then I try using any of these and just need to select any one of these from here and just need to add it. Once you add it, if you go to the local files over here in the left side, you can see these are some of the audio that have been right now created as my own custom, and you can play the songs from here. For some users, this is not even coming up here and they're having some kind of trouble. If that is the case, either you have to close it and try open it back, or what you need to do is you have to make sure that you added the same or correct format of the audio, which means either it should be an MP3 or MP4. And once you add it, these are the things that you need to do. So I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.